Hello friends, in today's video we are going to learn one concept from a topic similarity from maths part 2 class 10. The theorem is geometric mean theorem. So before we understand what is geometric mean theorem, we must understand what is geometric mean. So first of all, let us understand this concept geometric mean about the numbers. 3 नंबर्स जर आपल्याला दिले असतील तर त्यांचा जॉमेट्रिक मीन म्हणजे काय ते पहिल्यांदा आपण समजून घेऊया. म्हणजे मग त्याचं ऍप्लिकेशन आपल्याला एका राईट अँगल ट्रायंगलच्या बाबतीत करायचं आहे. दॅट्स वाय दिस इज द पार्ट इन द टॉपिक सिमिलॅरिटी, बिकॉज वी नो दॅट इन सिमिलॅरिटी वी हॅव अ राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल अँड इन दॅट राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल वी कॅन यूज द जॉमेट्रिक मीन थिअरम. पहिल्यांदा जॉमेट्रिक मीन म्हणजे काय आपण पाहू. सपोज इफ वी हॅव 3 नंबर्स A, B and C. So if we write these 3 numbers and if B square is equal to A into C, then in this case we say that B is the geometric mean of remaining 2 numbers, that is A and C. So for any 3 numbers, the square of one number is equal to the product of remaining 2 numbers. In that case, we say that B is the geometric mean of other 2. Now, let us illustrate this by one example. Let us have 3 numbers 4, 6 and 9. So these are the 3 numbers. The middle number is 6. So if we make a square of that, 6 square is equal to 36. And the remaining 2 numbers are 4 and 9. So again 4 into 9 is equal to 36. So as you can see here, these 2 numbers are equal. So from this, we can conclude 6 square is equal to 4 into 9, that is the square of one number is equal to the product of remaining 2 numbers. That's why here 6 is the geometric mean of 4 and 9. तर ही ती geometric mean प्रॉपर्टी, याचा उपयोग आपल्याला राईट अँगल ट्रायंगलच्या बाबतीत करायचा आहे. आणि मग अशा पद्धतीने तो उपयोग केल्यानंतर आपल्याला मिळतो geometric mean theorem. So to understand this, let us consider one right angle triangle. Suppose this is a right angle triangle ABC where angle B is 90 degree. Now if we draw a perpendicular from angle B on the hypotenuse AC. Now in this case, as BD is the perpendicular drawn on the hypotenuse AC, so the geometric mean theorem is a perpendicular drawn on the hypotenuse in a right angle triangle is the geometric mean of these 2 smaller segments, that is BD is the geometric mean of AD and DC. So if BD is the geometric mean of these 2 smaller segments, then by the geometric mean theorem we can write BD square is equal to AD into DC. So this is geometric mean theorem for a right angle triangle. Now again, to illustrate this, let us solve an example. So this is the question which is based on the geometric mean theorem. In a right angle triangle ABC, if the length of segment BD is 12, length of AD is 9, from that we have to find DC. So as this is a right angle triangle and here BD is perpendicular drawn on the hypotenuse, we can use the geometric mean theorem. And by that geometric mean theorem, we can write BD square is equal to the remaining 2 sides into which the hypotenuse is divided are AD and DC. So we should have BD square is equal to AD into DC, and this is by the geometric mean theorem. Now out of these 3 segments, 2 are given. So the length of BD is given to be 12. So we'll replace BD here by 12 square is equal to AD, which is also given to be 9, into DC that we have to find. So 12 square is 144 is equal to 9 into DC. If we take 9 to the left hand side, it will be in the denominator. So as to get 144 divided by 9 is equal to DC. And now if we divide 144 by 9, we get 16 is equal to DC. That is, the length of segment DC is 16 units. So here, to find the length of segment DC, we have used the geometric mean theorem. तर अशा पद्धतीने आपण geometric mean theorem चा उपयोग करून काही एक्झाम्पल सोडवू शकतो. आणखी एक एक्झाम्पल जे तुम्ही होमवर्कला सोडवा आणि त्याचा आन्सर जे काही असेल ते कमेंट नक्की करा. सो दिस इज अनदर क्वेश्चन इन अ राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल PQR. So this is the right angle triangle PQR given, where QS is perpendicular to hypotenuse PR, where QS is 4, SR is 16, and from that we have to find QS. तर इथे सुद्धा आपल्याला या जॉमेट्रिक मीन थिअरमचा उपयोग करायचा आहे आणि त्याच्यावरून आपण या QS ची लेंथ काढू शकतो. तर हा प्रॉब्लेम होमवर्कला सोडवा आणि जे काय आन्सर असेल ते कमेंट नक्की करा. थँक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.